What we're working on today, in order to get back on the molds for Thursday, we're going to be going live. I want to get this wired up so I can power it up and down. This is underneath. These are all the bolts that flatten the table. Since it's not like a cast iron, it's mild steel, 1/2 inch. With all these rods up and down, you're able to adjust it and get it as close as to flat. Then afterwards, at some point, I will be making a jig where I can run a router back and forth and flatten it at 100%. But as of right now, it's very close to 0. So we'll continue working with the welder table as it is so we can get back to the truck. But I am going to wire it up today, which will be these connectors. Every big post, every big leg, 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's none on this corner because that would hit the actual table saw there. But each one of these is supposed to be rated for about 300 pounds. So we have 3, 6, 900 pounds capable according to their manufacturer. And they're all powered electronically via these. But this is a 2-leg system and a secondary 2-leg system. So I'm going to combine the 2 units and find out where I'm going to put my control module so I can wire it up and maneuver everything off of one of these boxes. So you have 2 outs, 1 in, but you have 1 box and 1 box. So instead of doing that, I want to wire them all with just 1 box. So with that, each of those systems has a plug. You have 1 extension cable for 1 side, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna join one to the other, and then from there use this extension that they give you only 1. There's no 3-way or 2 ways. Attach this one to the module here and do the same thing. Power this one to be wired into that one, and then the connector will be able to extend on over to the actual module. So that's the only way that we can make this work. So I'll start splicing and soldering them together.